इटली है मेरे यार, बस इश्क मोहब्बत प्यार.
With the noise all around and tension increasing by the time, everyone wants a break. A break from the city. A break from the fast life. I was excited, as this break was not a regular conventional holiday to the sightseeing spots of India, but this break was to explore the new culture. A culture that will bring us down to the roots, that will bring us down to the nature. My friends and me have planned a holiday to our village. A concept called agritourism had provided us this platform. This concept is developed by farmers in order to provide city people a taste of rural India, a taste of real India.
The people everywhere they are going, I got this idea from a foreign guest. He said concrete and glass we have more than India. All structures are made of concrete and glasses. We get to see in Delhi, Bombay, New York. There is nothing different in that. The difference is that when you came to the village, you came to see the mud, the earth, Mother Earth, the birds, the animals. That to get the feeling over here, you won't get the feeling in a concrete jungle.
Finally, the day have arrived when we started our journey. A journey to know our roots, to know our culture.
जहाँ भी जाएं, जो हम चाहें वो हम पाए, मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा.
Hey Akshay, how do you feel about this?
Feeling excited.
Feels good. After a huge hullabaloo of the city, let's see what countryside has to offer to us. I'm excited.
हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम गांव आए हैं और गांव की फीलिंग तो बिल्कुल अपनी मिट्टी जैसी फीलिंग होती है.
Well, it's feeling quite excited and we are very curious to know what's happening, what's going to happen with us. So let's wait and watch.
Feel reaching aboard.
After one night in the train, one day in the countryside, let's see what's happened.
I'm enjoying the greenery of this Punjab.
I feel great and I just cannot wait to see the pool in the farms. Thank you.
कोयल कूके हुक उठाए, यादों की बंदूक चलाए. कोयल कूके हुक उठाए, यादों की बंदूक चलाए. बाहों में झूलों के मौसम वापस आए रे. घर आजा परदेसी तेरा देश बुलाए रे. घर आजा परदेसी तेरा देश बुलाए रे.
Stretched in 140 acre, Giani Farm set it a perfect example of agritourism. Surrounded by lush green crops, peas, and humming sounds of bird, it set it a perfect platform to bond with the nature, to bond with yourself. After a journey of 12 hours, we were starving like anything. Mr. Vinod Jani, owner of the farm, had arranged a perfect breakfast for us. While having our breakfast, Mr. Jani shared that whatever we deliver to our guest is completely pure and organic food in nature. After listening to this, I got excited and I concentrated more on my food. After a stomachful organic breakfast, it was time to explore the farm. We headed straight to the dairy of the farm, where we were welcomed by 36 cows. We were offered to do milking of the cow, feeding to them, etc. These activities were not the conventional one, and that would engrossed our interest towards it. While having a talk with Mr. Gianni, I was surprised by their scientific approach towards maintaining the dairy. Not even the single thing was allowed to go for waste. As the farm believes in organic farming, the urines of the cow were used against the pesticides. Cow dung produced electricity, and the milk by them were used to produce many things, and one of them was fat-free butter.
Other than the milk, the cow dung, the cow urine is used as a fertilizers and as a microbes. The cow dung has microbes that we use as a culture. Cow dung is more than the fertilizer. The culture in the cow dung is used in a farm.
Visit to the dairy was just that trailer. There was much more activity stored for us. 140 acres of lush green farm grows several types of organic grains, fruits and vegetables. Our next destination was sugarcane crop, where we were experienced the first-hand glimpse of farming. Thanks to agritourism, where farmers becomes your friend, your guide, explains you how these things are produced, processed and served on your table.
धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, बोले पपीहा कोयल।
I made an audiovisual room. Over there they can see the movies on the environment, on the human issues, on the farming aspects. These movies and other movies also can then see. So guests can enjoy a movie in a home theatre system. Audiovisual library also we have made over here.
After an activity-full day, the artist Snake Jugglers delivered us a perfect source of entertainment in their conventional style. It basically shows there are other sources of entertainment beyond the movies, theatres, etc. And if you don't want to get entertained by them, it's okay. You can lie down on a chair, look into the clear sky, play with the stars, and I'm for sure that this will set your mood. With the new morning approaching and the sun was all set in its mood, we started our day with a healthy morning walk, which was joined further by the pet dogs of the farm. After a morning walk, the yoga was on the pipeline. What better way to start your morning? Tell me.
तेरे रंग वर्गा अज दिन चढ़िया, तेरे रंग वर्गा फूल सा है खिला आज दिन। रब्बा मेरे दिन ये ना ढले, वो जो मुझे ख्वाब में मिले उसे तू लगा दे अब गले। तेनू दिल दा वास्ता रब्बा आया दर पे जान के, सारा जहां छोड़ छाड़ के मेरे सपने सवार दे। तेनू दिल दा वास्ता अज दिन चढ़िया, तेरे रंग वर्गा।
After having a look in almost all the activities of the farm, we decided to explore the nearby places and sightseeing spots of Fazalka. Rabbit Farm and Juti Market was among them.
कभी ठंडा कभी है आतम बम सा, ये धमाका कैसे कोई सहे।
दिल की यही खता है, दिल को नहीं पता है।
दिल की यही खता है,
दिल को नहीं पता है
कि दिल चाहता है क्या। नजरें मिलाना, नजरें चुराना, कहीं पे निगाहें, कहीं पे निशाना। नजरें मिलाना, नजरें चुराना, कहीं पे निगाहें, कहीं पे निशाना।
एक सुंदर ग्रामीण स्वावलंबी भारत को देखने के लिए आपको एक भारत कैसा होना चाहिए, उसका गांव कैसा होना चाहिए और उसका खेत कैसा होना चाहिए कि फार्मर अपने आप में इंडिपेंडेंट हो और उसमें सब चीज़ें उसको वहाँ मिल जाए।
आशाएं, 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 आशाएं।
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं।
आशाएं, आशाएं।
35 kilometers away from the farm, we witnessed the Siddiqui border, where we have seen the flag down ceremony of both the countries, India and Pakistan.
आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, तो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। संदेश आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, तो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओ।
As nature determines, everything has to come to an end. Similar